Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to correct any mistakes that you made on your website, because that definitely does happen when you don't really know how to do, you're not really sure what to do. So I'm going to just kind of duplicate like a button, and I'm going to go in and show you how to revert back to the way it was before. Okay, so say I made this mistake. It's duplicated. Save it. Okay, say that you made like a really big mistake on your website. You can't figure out how to delete a button or do something else on here. And the way it was before is exactly the way you want it back. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Edit Page. And then you're going to go over to the top where it says Screen Options. And then you're going to click on where it says Revisions. And then you're going to scroll down. And then you're going to have here, you're going to have a revisions section. And this is the change that I just made, which I did not want. So I want to revert back to probably yesterday. So February 22nd, and it says it was 21 hours ago. So I want to revert back to that. I'm going to click on it. And then really, you're just going to click on where it says Restore this revision. Then you click Update. And then you click on View Page. As you can see, that button that I duplicated is not there anymore, but it might be something else that you did that you really you want to be able to revert back to the way it was before. Another thing is, if you really messed up and your hosting has backup and restore included in your hosting, you can actually just go back. You can go to your hosting account and you can find out where it says you can back up and restore it to like a couple days ago. But you can actually go ahead and you can change any of your mistakes that you made just by going into the edit page and the revisions. So when you're editing your website, you don't really have to panic or anything that you really messed it up. You can easily go back and change it to the way it was before. Now, of course, you might get a little bit annoyed at yourself because it makes extra work. You have to go ahead and redo the stuff that you were working on, but it's better than having some mistakes on your website and then having a frantic email to me asking me to restore it. You can do it yourself pretty easily. Hope that helps.